This is the independent contractor pay stub, the pay stub nobody hands you. When you work for yourself, there's no payroll department. You create your own proof of income. And you'll need it. Apartment applications, car loans, mortgage pre-approvals, all ask for pay stubs. Here's how to build one that holds up. We're using FormsPal's free online editor. The header carries the employer and employee details, and as a contractor, that's you on both sides if you're a sole proprietor, or your client's company if you invoice one main client. The template ships with sample details. Use FormsPal's Edit Content tool in the toolbar to swap in your own. For the Social Security number, only the last 4 digits go on a pay stub, never the full number. Then the pay period dates and the pay date. The income grid. Each row is one type of work: a description, design services, your rate, $50 an hour, the hours in this pay period, 20, and the current total, rate times hours, $1,000. Now the column that makes a contractor stub different: deductions. On an employee stub, this is full of taxes. On yours, it's empty. Nobody withholds anything from 1099 income. No federal tax, no Social Security, no Medicare taken out. That doesn't mean you don't owe them. It means you pay them yourself, quarterly. The working rule: set aside 25 to 30% of every payment. Today's stub just records that nothing was withheld. Year to date. Your running total for the year, this row included. $12,000 so far. This number should match your invoices and your bank deposits. More on why in a moment. The bottom row summarizes. Year-to-date gross, $12,000. Year-to-date net, the same since nothing's withheld. Current total for this period, $1,000. And net pay, also $1,000. Gross equals net, the signature of contractor income. One serious note before you download. A pay stub is evidence, not creative writing. The numbers must match your real invoices and deposits. Lenders verify, and inventing income on an application is fraud. Keep it honest, and this document does its job. Click Done, then download my PDF now. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com.